All right, we're gonna go for a ride here in a little classic Mercedes Benz sedan. These are pretty neat, man. It's a very classy car. These early Mercedes Benz always had kind of a cool look to them with the wood dash and the chrome trim around the gauges and everything like that, and the dash. This one has the Thermo King AC system in it. It's painted in the correct silver metallic paint. Black MB Tex interior, which is basically like, it's a vinyl interior, but it's deluxe looking. This one has a factory sunroof. Got the 14-inch steel wheels with the factory hubcaps. 2.8 liter, pretty neat, good size engine, fuel injected, power steering, and four-wheel power disc brakes. I mean, these things were used as taxi cabs back in the day. I mean, they're just, that 6-cylinder engine is a phenomenal engine. They have plenty of horsepower. They get up on the freeway and cruise, no problem. Highway speeds are no big deal. That's a European car, you know. But 1970 to me is one of the best years. They made this car in a convertible. They're $400,000 now. It's incredible. But the sedan is the least expensive one. You still get the same feel driving it. It's a classic, you know. They made a coupe also. Those are probably in the 40s and 50s now. So being a sedan, it's a 280SEL. It's got the big back seat. Take your friends, go out to dinner. Still get the thumbs up in the European car community. Pretty nice one though. A little bit of a project here and there. I'm not sure if the air works. There's a few things that probably need to be fixed. But pretty solid, rust-free. Good place to start. We'll go up here and take a few pictures and video for you. All right, we're gonna do a little walk around here with our 1970 Mercedes Benz 280SEL Sedan. Nice cruiser. You wanna take friends out, go out to dinner. It turns heads. Hey, it's a classic Mercedes Benz, 1970. It's getting a little old there. Nice chrome bumpers. Pretty original. It's been repainted. It's original color, according to the tag under the hood. It's got their hubcaps that are color matched, 14-inch wheels with white wall tires. Nice little chrome mirror there. This one's got a sunroof too. It's manual, just got a crank in there, and the headliner. Just turn that crank, open the sunroof. But it's got power windows, power steering, four-wheel power disc brakes. These have a 2.8 liter 6-cylinder, straight six, fuel injected. Way ahead of their time. For 1970, a lot of nice creature comforts and safety items. I mean, four-wheel disc brakes. Pretty cool. All the chrome is in pretty good shape. A couple little dings here and there in the chrome. But for the most part, for its age, being unrestored, that's why in my ad I call it a survivor, because it truly is. It's a nice little car. Unfortunately, the previous owner passed away. We got this in a little Volkswagen van. They were his pride and joy. And he never really got the chance to finish this car up the way he wanted to. But the interior is real nice. I'll show you that. The carpets are nice. Door panels are in very good condition. Dash has a couple little cracks in it. It's got the wood trim. But not bad. Original Becker radio in it. I don't think that works. I don't think the air works either. We're still kind of looking at a few things, but if I fix some stuff, I might raise the price, but we'll see. Seats are in great shape though. Headliner's still in great shape. Back seats probably never been sat in. And it's got that really cool Nardi steering wheel, 3-spoke. A lot of early Mercedes guys would put that on there just because it's really classy. Nice mats. Headrest seats. Silver bullet. Pretty cool little sedan. Here's the power plant in our 1970 280SL Mercedes Benz. These were like tractor motors. It's a 2.8 liter straight six, fuel injected. Like I said earlier, they already have some good options. It's got power steering, four-wheel power disc brakes. This one had factory air. Probably needs a little freshening up or upgrading to the new style Freon. It's got R12. But the good news is it's got a belt on it. That compressor looks pretty good. So it can probably be brought back to life. But really clean under here, actually. Go ahead and fire it up for you. Fuel injection is just so nice in these cars. Just turn the key and go. Fires right up. Gauges seem to work. Radio makes a little noise, but it doesn't really play. AC, we talked about that. But overall, you know what? Pretty good little car. Door panels are all in good shape, like I said earlier. There's your VIN number and the door jamb. Clean California title. Nice, smooth running, 2.8 liter. No smog emissions or anything like that on a car this old. Pretty easy to maintain. Good little Mercedes technician could take care of this car pretty easily for you. Well, if you want to see this car in person, come visit us in Simi Valley. We're 2158 Union Place, Simi Valley, California. My phone number is 818-591-1313. My name is Rich. Be happy to show you this car in person if you want to come out and take a look, or if you want some more pictures of it, you want me to ship it. Heck, we can even ship it to Germany. They're all rusty and beat up over there. All right, thanks for watching.